Hello there, and if you're watching me right now on the live, just type in the comment box. Let me know who you are and where you're watching from. I do my Friday lives every Friday to engage my clients. And in case you don't know who I am, I'm Irene Ocho, founder of the Engage Speak Academy. It's an online academy that helps you up the game of your public speaking. So today, what are we going to talk about? How to use the tone of your voice. And when with my current clients who have taken the course on speaking with confidence. And so one of my clients said, "Oh, I'm having trouble with my voice. So many people say that I sound like a child." Not that her voice has a problem. It is the tone of the voice that she is using, and hence she sounds like a child. And I can easily sound like a child by simply shifting the tone of my voice. For instance, I can decide to sound like how she sounds when we're in class. "Hello, Irene. How are you? I had challenges today." And because we did course one, which is week one, which helps you identify your self-worth, your self-validation, she has since realized the reason why she sounds like a child is she didn't know subconsciously she has locked into that child person that she was, the comfort zone. Even as an adult, she has never left that childlike zone in her mind. And that's why she uses the tone of her voice as a tone of a child. How would I define a tone of a voice? I would simply say it's the energetic vibration and passion or life or feeling that comes behind every word that you are vocalizing. So there are various dimensions of tones that you can use when you're speaking. You can use the formal tone, informal tone, you could use a respectful tone, a disrespectful tone, you could use an angry tone, you can use a funny tone. It all depends on how you want to leave your listeners feeling. So people think that speaking is just open up your voice and say any words. The tone with which you use your voice will determine whether you will connect with the people you wanted to connect to, or you will disengage, or you will be remembered, or you will be unforgettable. So you always have to mind the tone that you use when you're engaging the verbal, or should I say, the sound of your voice. So a tone can be learned. You just have to engage the right tone that you want for the people you want to talk to and engage your voice. Let me give you an example. I think I'll use Shaggy's "Mr. Lover Lover." Mr. Lover Lover. He used the baritone, but he engaged a sexy tone in his voice. And why? Because he wants you to feel the lover in him as he's singing to you. So it is your responsibility to choose which tone you will use with your voice and know who you're going to speak to so that you use the right tone and you connect and engage effectively. But if you want to find out which tone you locked yourself in, like my client who says, "Everybody says I sound like a child," then we engage you in the Engage Academy in the self-awareness of yourself. You know, it's so easy to lock into a tone that you had as a teenager and you're still using the same tone as an adult and you're not aware of it. And all the people around you keep telling you, "You sound like a," because you locked into a certain zone one time in your development as you were evolving, and no one has ever told you that you can unlock that tone and engage the right tone whenever you need to speak. So today it's all about the tone. The tone that I have today is Uganda. I'm engaging. I'm going out to have fun today. So everybody I'm going to meet today, I'm going to engage from that tone of excitement and feeling so Ugandan. Yeah. So the tone, it is you who decides how to engage it. Know how you want people to feel whenever you speak and use the right tone. Have you ever been in a discussion with your parents and the next thing they're telling you, "Girl, do not engage me in that angry tone," and you just didn't know that you were actually speaking back in an angry tone. So the tones change, they vary according to how you want to leave the person you're speaking to or the listener you're engaging with so that they can remember how you wanted them to feel. If you wanted them to feel angry, then you're going to engage the angry tone. If you wanted them to feel sexy, then you're going to engage the sexy tone. So the tone, it's up to you. Choose the one that you want to use and effectively engage. I'm off to engage with Uganda. I'm going to the countryside. So my tone today is have fun, be happy with everybody. If you jump in after I've got off the live, Just type in the comments and let me know who you are, where you're watching from, and what tone you are going to engage today. I'm off to engage the Uganda tone. Have a lovely weekend. Use the right tone that you want to use so that you can leave the right feeling with those people that you are speaking with. Bye-bye.